Namaskara. I am Dr. Suhasini Inamdar, lead obstetrician and gynecologist, Motherhood Hospital, Indiranagar. Today we will understand how to diagnose endometriosis. How do we diagnose when a patient comes that maybe she is suffering from endometriosis? So first thing is, when we ask the history and we understand that the dysmenorrhea and menorrhagia is very severe, that gives us an inkling that okay, she may be having something what we call as endometriosis. If a lady who's coming to us is married, we do a bimanual pelvic examination. In that sometimes we can get an endometrioma, which is the cyst of ovary, or generally the examination itself is very painful for the lady. We can do a per rectal examination also to find out if there is any endometriosis of rectovaginal septum. Then there are various modalities which will tell us and confirm the endometriosis. The simplest thing to do is to do one scan. It can be a abdominopelvic scan in young unmarried girls, or it can be a transvaginal scan in married girls. This will tell us if there is any collection in the pelvic area, or there is a cyst in the ovary, or if the tube is damaged and swollen, which we normally call as hydrosalpinx, and if the ovaries are stuck to each other and they are behind the uterus, which are called kissing ovaries. So these signs we can pick it up very easily on the scan. The second modality is the blood test, which is a basically marker test, which is called CA-125, and this will also tell us how severe is the endometriosis. The third modality is MRI, and this also tells us the extent of involvement of bowel, bladder, the pelvic wall, along with the normal thing what we see in the scan. So this is one step ahead, and the best modality and the gold standard of diagnosing endometriosis is laparoscopy. In laparoscopy, we can see through our own eyes, through telescopes, the area, the extent, the type, the grading, the staging of endometrium, and then we can tailor make the treatment after clearing up the endometriosis, and whatever surgery is required we can do based on the first look endometriosis laparoscopy.